Hey everybody, this is the Berkley Solutions Fluoro fishing line. It's fluorocarbon. So what is the difference between fluorocarbon and monofilament? Monofilament gives. If you get a big fish that is giving you a fight and the line is reaching its limit, the line will give, it'll stretch. Or if it gets caught under a ledge or branch, the line will stretch. Now, if you use fluorocarbon, it won't stretch. It will break. So keep that in mind. Now, also fluorocarbon is a little bit tougher line, thinner diameter, more scratch resistant than mono. Mono tends to be a thicker line. So it would be more visible to a fish with good eyesight. So I would suggest that if you're going to go with this type of line, Fluoro, which is fluorocarbon, use it only for spinners because it's stiff. Do not use it for bait casters because it will bunch up on you like you wouldn't believe. Okay, this line here, Solutions, is inexpensive for a reason. It comes either in fluorocarbon or monofilament, and like I said, it's inexpensive for a reason. So I would not use this for larger fish. If you're in an area where you could be targeting fish up to 10 pounds, no problem. This is rated 15 pounds, but if it gives a nice fight or you get a bigger fish, you're gonna run a chance of it snapping. And I'm gonna tell you, it gets expensive after a while, snapping fluoro. So if you're gonna go this route with bigger fish, go with the mono. If you're going for an area that you know your prey and you're gonna use a little bit longer rod as a shock absorber, then go ahead and go with this fluoro. So that's basically the difference. And if you are more into the fight, the enjoyment of the fight, then this might be the line for you. So you have to know the difference between fluorocarbon and monofilament. Check out your ratings on your reel, see how much it'll take. The fluoro does give you a little bit more yardage than mono because it's thinner. So just look at the pros and cons and make your choice. Thank you.